Okay, one very important topic left from me, so I did not tell anything about this. So Python versions, like there are many versions of Python, specifically Python 2 and Python 3. So every version of them has another Python, like another version, like Python 2.1, 2.0, 2.3, like this. So same as to Python 3. So what's the difference and why we have this Python versioning? So Python 2, it was before the developers were using this. So after some it like changes and some new specification when developers added in this language, so they called the name as Python 3. So we do not have any information, or we do not need to have any information about the history or anything, but we should know this, that there are Python 2 and Python 3. So these are the versions of Python. So Python 3 is more advanced. We have more things in this. We can write many things here, and the libraries which are obsolete in Python 2 we can use in Python 3. So the latest version, when you download or when you uh, install in your machine or in your computer, you have to think about this. You have to focus on Python version as well. So if you do not install the Python 3 or latest version, you will face many problems later on when you have to write many lines of codes, like millions of lines of codes, or you want to build some really great projects or some really big software for anyone. So you will face difficulties, and that's why to avoid these difficulties, so you have to have Python 3, or you have to install the latest version of Python. So this is the history, or this is something which I knew about the Python versions, and I have added this. So in the next video we will use real code of, or we talk about the real things which Python has, the real specifications which Python has, and how to write codes and how to understand the logic, the syntax, and everything.